It's a funny girl channel.
Yeah.
And look, it's very raining.
Oh, yeah.
And we're here nice and comfy inside.
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing? We're here in the front and everything's raining.
Yeah. So we have a mini house.
Yeah.
We have a mini house. We have a mini house.
It's a bit hot in the car, but it's cold outside.
Whoa, look how much rain. Whoa. And it's good there's no, how's it say?
What is there?
Oh, there is,
Snow?
No, not
Storm?
yeah, storm.
It's There's also our family there, and there's a little baby. And that baby's not even scared.
Look what I can do. I can do like this.
I can do it. It's so amazing. And raining. It's raining. I like this. I mean, no, I like station where we can get some fuel. And there's again reclaimers.
Stop. I have feet. But why everybody likes feet the most in hands?
Looks like these are my mini feet.
Yeah, kind of.
Hey guys, so first you do like this, then you do like this, and then you like this, and whoop. Can you do like that? If you can.
I'm gonna get some food.
So a snack.
A pasztet.
I got this looks like a boat. If you like this video, you can write it out the comments or even subscribe. Red means subscribe, and this is red. riding. Sorry, I was a movie. Guys, we're here at the next stop, and it's way more beautiful. Here is also a bit houses and cars, but here, this is what I call nature. Oh, look, Janga's playing with her little cousin. Wow, that's windy.
Just higher up. Oh, fine, you can go to the bushes. Hey, there's green grass. Come on, Quincy, let's go. Quincy?
Alright guys, we're back in the car because rain, again rain.
Yeah.
It's not a very warm day today.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video, and this is already the end.
Yeah.
Subscribe on our channel, likes, comments, remember that all. Thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, and subscribe.
Yep, and we'll be always making. Sorry that we're actually a bit not making a lot of videos. It's just we don't have much time, and
sometimes the babies.
yeah, we need to help sometimes. So we're very sorry, but it's okay. We'll try to make more videos.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.